Hi, I'm Elisa. I'm going to school for sociology. I have taken speech in high school before. I had really bad speaking anxiety. I still have it. As you can see, I'm taking the online course. In high school, I wasn't shy or anything. I went to school with my classmates all my life. I basically grew up with them. It's just like whenever I'd get in front of people and I would talk, it would be like somebody pressing pause on a movie. I would just freeze. Um, I'm very excited about this speech class because I want it to help me with my speaking anxiety, and I want to be able to get in front of people and talk with confidence and not freeze up. Um, I chose this area of lighting because of my house. It's not very good at all. I have uploaded a video on YouTube before. It wasn't very good. It was me and my friends being silly. I've also read the guidelines for this video presentation, and I hope that the speech class gets me to where I need to go. Thank you.